This is our first time visiting this state and it is gorgeous so far. I am having such a good time. We found this beautiful campsite. It's honestly been pretty windy here so far. I'm really excited to try some of the traditional New Mexican meals. A lot of their food incorporates red or green chiles, and today we bought a salsa that was made locally and we're going to use that to make some eggs with cactus. This is a meal that I used to eat growing up, so I'm super excited to make it. I haven't had it in a while. And then for dinner we bought a mole sauce, so we're going to do chicken, beans, and rice. Again, this is something that I ate growing up. I'm really excited to try that and just bring you along. Oh, it's on fire!
Not multitasking. Check them all over. Does it have any more? No, it's good.
Somebody had a little too much fun in the brush. For dinner tonight, we are making some mole.
Boiling some water.
I am in charge of the rice today. We have minute rice. just eyeballing everything as I go, and if it's bad, we just won't make it that way again.
Salt, cumin, and chili powder.
It would have been in our best interest to mix the paste in the water first, but to not get another pan dirty. I think this will work.
We blaze our own trails over here though.
This is about as good as it gets for minute rice. Here's my plate, and there's Jack's.
That's really good.
Yeah, the rice is good for
Yeah.
what we did. That was so simple. I'm genuinely so sad to leave this campsite.
Alright, what do I take a bite of first?
Taking a video. We're at the Route 66 Casino. I hope that's the right name. That's what the signs say. It says that you can camp here overnight, and neither one of us have really been to a casino. Jack apparently had Easter brunch at a casino once upon a time, and I just found this out. Unlocked some new Jack lore, but I personally have never been to a casino, so we're going to check it out. I will try. You guys know I get very nervous filming in public, so we'll see what I bring back to you. So the casino was pretty small. It was almost completely slot machines. It did have a ton of restaurants, so that was a lot of fun to check out. It's really nice that they let RVers and van lifers and all of that park here. It is close to the highway, but I wouldn't say so close that the noise was loud. I feel like if you're somebody who particularly likes white noise when you go to sleep, it would be soothing. I personally like no noise when I sleep, but it wasn't bad at all. Yeah, we're just gonna get some work done and then hit the road.